By default in Webflow, grid columns expand to fit the content inside them. Even though these columns are set to an even split, we'll notice the heading column gets a bit larger to make space for that heading. This is fine in most cases, but sometimes we'll want to ensure our columns stay even widths to make sure it aligns with other content throughout the site. We'll also notice on mobile, when there's not enough space for that heading, it actually forces the visual to overflow with it. So what we can do is select each column and we'll set it to a min-max, the min being 0 pixels and the max being 1 FR. Once we have all of our columns set like this, it ensures they always stay even widths, even when the content inside them gets a bit larger. Also, if we head down to our next breakpoint, we can apply the same setting here with a min of 0 pixels. This helps when the content eventually does overflow, it doesn't force the visual to overflow with it. So that's how we ensure even column widths with grid in Webflow.